yeah, so how do you practice Shugen?
Well, there are small groups and individual practice. There are liturgies that are repeated, some from Shinto. The Shinto liturgy that repeats ancient method for how we become purified. We go into the mountains, we go under waterfall, water washes this away. This impurity goes into the rocks, it goes into the earth. It explains how we become purified, and to repeat this over and over again, we become more and more familiar with that. You know, the idea is that as a human being, you know, maybe when we're born, we don't have much personality. And as years go by, we try to fit in, we try to learn, we try to get the best for ourselves. And sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we make people angry at us. Sometimes we think we're doing a good thing, but we're really doing a bad thing. And the idea is this gets caught on our personality. And what if we could wash this away? What if we could purify this to become just a very pure, beautiful, like a shining mirror, clean, clear heart? I know what is true spiritually. I try to return as much benefit as I can to my fellow people. I try to help others become purified. So this is now kind of Buddhist influence, what would be called Mahayana Buddhism. I study, I understand how life works. I understand how I cause myself suffering. Usually I'm trying not to suffer, and the things we do causes suffering. And we try to avoid those things that we think will bring suffering, but actually those are the good things that we should follow. Once we can clarify that, we turn and try to help others to understand, help others to see. So this is Mahayana Buddhism. So some Shinto, some Buddhism. Also, there is a practice of, for certain people, like go into a trance. You can practice drumming. Boom, boom, boom. Drumming creates a rhythm that changes the brain wave function. Maybe we discover some new, a different view, a different reality. And then from there, sometimes people don't even remember what they say. They're speaking, they're explaining things. Later, they come back to consciousness. People have written down what they said. Oh, so this is like the shaman part of Shugendo. So all of these are like the beginning practice of a Shugenja.
Wow. It sounds so complicated, so I don't think we can really understand it in one episode. So, but